Hello. Today we will talk about relationship of biology to other science. Biology has relationship with the other branches of science. Like biology has relationship with physics, chemistry, mathematics, geography, economics. When biology has the relation with physics, it is called biophysics. Biophysics is the interdisciplinary study that applies principles and methods of physics to understand biological systems. When biology has the relation with chemistry, it is called biochemistry. Biochemistry is the branch of science that explores the chemical processes and substances that occur within living organisms. When biology has the relation with mathematics, it is called biomathematics. Biomathematics refers to the application of mathematical techniques and models to study biological systems and phenomena. When biology has the relation with geography, it is called biogeography. Biogeography is the study of where living organisms are found, why they live where they do, and how they got there. When biology has the relation with economics, it is called bioeconomics. Bioeconomics is the study of how biological resources, like forests and fisheries, interact with economic systems. Thank you.